Alright guys, Scotty Passon here. Came from Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? So you want to make YouTube videos but you don't want your face or to talk on them. This is an interesting dilemma to have. But it's okay, we've got you covered. So in my personal opinion, if you want to play in the affiliate marketing space, like make money space, people like to see what you look like, and people don't trust videos generally. People don't trust the internet in general. So if you're trying to sell things where you're wanting to make money, I think personally you should show yourself on camera. And I know it's freaky, and it took a while for me to get used to it. It's like anything. It took me ages and ages to get comfortable being on camera. But once you do, then you don't care. Then you just carry on with it. And then it becomes quite fun. But you just got to push through that barrier. But anyway, if you're not quite there yet, that's fine. I will show you what you can do. Got a couple of tools that are really awesome. We will start with whatever your topic is. Find whatever your niche is. I'm just going to use, you either need to write a script or you need to grab an article that you can convert into voice. There's heaps of free article companies out there. All you need to do those, make sure you acknowledge, put a link to the person's article and acknowledge who they are, because obviously they've put the hard work in to do it. So, but you can put that in your description box down below. So you put a link and say this article was by blah, 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 whoever it was. But anyway, I'm going to use this little article here. This looks like a good article to me. But we need to check before we do anything. I want to see how popular it is by using our YouTube or TubeBuddy software, and that'll tell us if it's worthwhile pursuing. Let's just pop that in there. So, advantages to making your own YouTube videos. Search that, and we'll see how many videos there are. It's quite a few. If we look at the Search Explorer score, this is pretty cool. If we're aiming for over 50%, over 50 of 100, so 88 is awesome. Competition is pretty low, and still get some traffic. So, but the benefit is, especially when you're starting out, it's a long tail keyword, so you'll probably get ranked for that, and that will definitely help start to get some traffic. So we'll run with that, and we'll go back to the article. So I'll open up that article, and all we're going to do is copy and paste. So let's copy this, and we'll write down here. There's the bit about the author. So what we will do, so it says free articles from Articles Factory. You just need to acknowledge this. So put that and with the link in the bottom of your description, just so you're doing the right thing. Everyone wins. So we will keep that open, so don't lose that. Now there is a software program called SpeechYellow, and I'll leave a link below so you can get access to it. It's not that expensive, but it's probably the best text to voice software that I've found. And they've got a whole bunch of different options. I like this one in particular. You can do different languages, different countries, male, female. I like this one here because it's an AI voice, which means it sounds really realistic, and you can go crazy setting up the exact way people would speak. But I generally find it works quite alright just by clicking it. Anyway, I'll show you. You go through there. If there's any, it finds any slight grammatical errors that may trip it up. So I'll just fix those up. Members health. And that's about it. Now with Speechello, it allows you up to 20,000 characters. So I've only got 4,000 characters, so it's about 7, what says there, word count 719. So what we're going to do is we will just test that and see how that sounds. So that's just taken a snippet. But I think it sounds really cool. And the AI part of the software gives it the inflections as well. So rather than sounding robotic and just talking, or sometimes they talk too fast or don't have pauses, you can put pauses in. But what I would do if I was you is just listen to that whole way through, and that will just make sure it sounds okay. But for the sake of this video, I will just save that. So what we're going to do is we'll generate that voiceover, and it's just saying need to put a bit more, spend a little bit more time. So if you were to listen to it over, you might find a few little issues here and there where you may need a pause or some better punctuation. But I'm just going to generate as is. And then once that's done, tick that fella, and there it is there. So we'll have a listen to that again, just out of curiosity. Won't listen to. Alright, that sounds pretty good. But once again, just listen to the whole thing. It only goes for 3 minutes, so that's okay. That's not going to take forever. So we'll close that up, and then what we'll do is download. So we'll download that, and that is our soundtrack or script that we'll use in the video. So that's downloading. Now what we're going to do is go across to another program called Vidnami. It used to be called, Content Samurai used to be called, but they've changed the name. It's an awesome program for if you want to make professional looking videos, because what it uses is Creative Commons video clips and footage or like pictures from YouTube that we can use legally. Once again, we just need to stick down the bottom in the descriptions. It gives you a link and stuff that says, okay, this was made with Creative Commons, and these are the videos we use. So you just chuck that in the bottom of the description, just so it's all covered legally. But we'll log in here first. And we'll go to create a new video. I will leave a link down below, so if you want to get access to the software, that's cool too. There's another little project I was working on, but we can delete that. Don't need that one right now. So we'll go to create new video. And it gives you a bunch of templates that you can use. Whatever you feel jumps out at you. It brings up the text and stuff, or you can hide the text and just have the voice, whatever works. I always generally like something that jumps out at you. And orange I like. Orange, viral orange. So click on that one. Now just move me out of the way. And it says use this template. So we'll use that fella. Now remember the title that we had before that we checked with YouTube? We're going to use that as our title. So I'll just copy that, go back to Vietnamese, and boom, there's our title. And we know it's a good keyword that people are searching for because we checked that. Now we need to add the script. So remember, what it's going to do is generate video based on the keywords. So we'll go back to a blaster. And remember this, so you don't close all your sites, keep them open. And we're going to use this fella to generate the video. And it's really cool. So it goes out and finds videos. It's not 100% accurate. Sometimes you get some wonky looking videos to the text, but generally it's pretty cool. And it's all timed. So added script, we'll go down here and you create scenes, and it goes and finds all the videos related to what you're talking about. It shouldn't take too long. It's only a little short video. Just move me out of the way again. Keep getting in the way of my head. All right, now here we go. So now up here we've got options of how we want we want the text to be, like position of the text. So we can stick it up there, we can stick it down there. I generally stick it, if you want text, just out of the way of wherever the majority of the picture is. Or you can just click on that and get rid of it altogether. So it's up to you. I don't mind a bit of text. It gives people something to read if they want to read it. But here you can see YouTube is the keyword, and the picture it's brought up. You've got options of clips, or you've got images. Ideally, the clips look better because it's motion. But we'll scroll down through here now and just see what it has. So scrolling down, if there's anything that looks a bit weird or doesn't sort of not congruent to the story, then you can change it out. But so far looking pretty good. Just speed this up a bit so it's not taking forever. Just have a quick look at each one. You can see that it's created 56 scenes, so at number 9 so far. So it's saying YouTube a lot. And it will scroll through all that stuff. Okay, there's something where you want to be cautious about divulging too much information, and there's a picture of a tiger. So we can change that out. Just picked up these 2 keywords. So, okay, you can just type in a keyword, maybe scared face or something like that. Scared face. And we'll see what it brings up. Okay. Or cautious face. There you go. That looks a bit better than the tiger. He's looking a bit cautious. So we just keep going down. Blah de blah de blah. Oh, looking pretty good. Halfway. Scrolling. Alright, almost there. Dragging on a bit. Sorry, guys. Just dragging on. Alright. That's looking all pretty good, I think. That will make sense as it scrolls through the chat. So we'll get to the bottom. Happy with that. no major changes. You can change scenes, like when you do different swipes and stuff, like star swipe between scenes. But I don't worry about that stuff. It looks pretty good just going from one to the other without having all the special scene changes. So we'll add voice track to that. So you can either record your own voice track or you can upload a voice track. It does have its own auto-generated voice, but it doesn't sound that great. It sounds really robotic. That's why I choose the other one, because it sounds really professional and you can hardly tell that it's actually not you speaking. So I'll upload our track, choose a file, we'll go to find in my downloads. Yep, that's the one there. So just uploading that fella. And almost good to go. And that's how quick it can be. The beauty of technology now is it's changed so much. You imagine trying to make a video, edit it, get a soundtrack, take you forever. And we can knock that out in, 16 minutes. You can even, if you were explaining it, probably half that time. So imagine how many videos you can create and how much content you can create. It's pretty mind-boggling. Now there are genres that you can go into that you can just create videos and upload them. Like there's heaps of people out there making videos without them talking on it, and making money online, which is really cool if that's what you want to do. Just have a quick squeeze, see what it looks like. How cool does that look? You also, bit loud. You've also got music you can add to it. So it's all royalty-free music, and you just pick whatever mood you want, genre, and that sounds all right. And that is it. So if you got value out of that, I'll put the links down below in the description. So if you want to check out this software, I know Vidnami has like a 14-day trial, free trial. I'm not sure about Speechello, but I'll put the links down there so you can get access to that stuff in the article software as well. So that way you can get rocking and rolling like really, really quick. That is it for me. If you like this content, just subscribe and like and share and press the bell and all that stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.